Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel BuddyBox, and this is showing you what I got in the BuddyBox for February 2018. Now this did turn up, but I was in the middle of not being very well, so but it really appreciated it when it turned up, as I opened it straight away and it did make me feel good. Yeah. So this is the BuddyBox for February 2018. I'll show you what came in it. It's got really cute llamas on top. And it's really cute llamas paper, and they're all llamas in pajamas. And it says, "You're the llama's pajamas." And then you got cute postcard. Cute llamas. And then you get a little kit where you can make a llama key ring, and that's really cool. So you get your felt ribbon, key ring, needle and thread, pom-poms and instructions, and you can make that llama. Then you get one of these conscious water things. I haven't tried them yet, but you can pour it into some plain water, and it's the water vibrational infusion of hand-picked Easter lily, snowberry and lily of the valley. So I'm not sure whether you're meant to drink any of those. I thought lilies are poisonous to cats, so, but that's interesting if not so. Ooh. And then there's this. You get a green bath potion, and you pour the entire bottle in for a bath. Breathe in and let the natural essential oils clear the mind and lift your mood. Magic with relaxing and refreshing peppermint, decongesting, detoxifying fennel, soothing cleansing fir needle and sweet birch to ease achy muscles and help to tone the skin, and organic yarrow extract calms. So that's interesting. So, and it's all vegan too, so nice bath oil. And then you get a cute book which is awesome, and it's all about believing in yourself. So that's interesting. That you've got these really cute llama stickers, and you've got a llama in a sloth and a tortoise. It's all self-confident stickers. And the tortoise says, "Life isn't a race, you get to set the pace." And there's a llama in this sloth, so that's what this stickers look like. This month's seeing It's you are enough. Of that there is no truer truth. It's the universal truth. And then where our quirks are our best bits. 33 ways to be kind to yourself. It's impossible to make your eyes twinkle if you're not feeling twinkly yourself. Well, I want to give lots of people twinkles. So thank you, Blood Foundation, for all your awesome work. And thank you for this month's BuddyBox. It's really awesome. So lots of love to everybody else, and lots of love and hugs to everyone. I love yous. Thank you for watching this video. Yay.